Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic Sri Lankan fish buns. I made this using my usual bread dough which I made from scratch. These are the ingredients we need for the buns. This is a liquid milk. It's hot. If you are not using liquid milk, you can use the milk powder 3 tablespoons with 1 cup of water, and this is hot water. It is centigrade 60 water. It's not so hot, it's a lukewarm water. And we need salt, yeast, 1 egg, and sugar. This is 4 tablespoons sugar, and oil. You can use any oil, but for me the sunflower oil is the best for this soft bun. And we need bread flour. You can use all purpose flour, but bread flour, this brand is very good for soft bun. At first we have to mix all the things together in this ball. We have to take a big ball and put hot water, hot milk, but it's not so hot, just hot milk, and 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of salt, one egg, mix it together, and 1 cup of oil. If you like, you can use melted butter. And 3 tablespoons of yeast. Now we have to mix this mixture together. After that, we have to add bread flour. This is 2 pounds of bread flour I'm going to use, but you can use a cup measurement and add 1 cup at a time. First add 1 cup and mix this mixture well. Then add another cup and mix. You can add 1 cup at a time and mix well. After adding 2 pounds of flour, the dough is like this. Then we have to add 1 more cup to the dough and mix well. At this point, you can't mix it with your wooden spoon, so you have to use your hand to knead the dough. Now we are adding more flour little by little and knead this dough very well. Now we need to knead this with your hand. At least 10 minutes we have to knead this dough. We have to do like this when we are kneading. And now it is little bit sticky. If it is sticky, we can add more flour. Now the dough is not sticky anymore, and we use 2 pounds of flour plus 2 cups of flour. So now the kneading is done. We have to keep this covered with a plastic wrap and at least 1 hour. So at first we have to put some oil, maybe 1 tablespoon oil, and apply that oil around the dough. Now it's not sticking. Then we have to cover this with plastic wrap or tea towel. You can use plastic wrap or tea towel for this. And now we are going to make the filling for fish bun. First add some oil, maybe 2 tablespoons of oil, and we have onion, curry leaves. This is optional. If you need to add curry leaves, you can add or you can omit. And this is this is garlic, chopped garlic, and this is Thai chili. This one also optional. If you like to have a spicy food, you can add Thai chilies or you can omit that chili part. And this is cardamom and clove. This gives a very good aroma to the mixture. If you don't have, you can omit that one also. First we are going to add this cardamom and clove to the oil, hot oil. And if you like authentic Sri Lankan taste, you have to add these things. This is curry leaves and garlic. After that, you have to add this finely chopped onion. You can use white onion or red onion. I like red onion, that's why I made red onion. Then you have to saute this onion for 2-3 minutes. When onion becomes translucent, you can add Thai chilies, or if you like, you can add jalapenos. But jalapenos also give the same taste. Now, it's a small tomato, chopped tomato. For this fish bun mixture, I'm using 2 cans of chunk like tuna, drained. You can't use the water inside the tuna, so you have to drain the liquid, and you can use any kind of tin fish, tuna or salmon or mackerel, but I'm using this chunk like tuna. It's so good. I'm using 2 cans of, it's a big can, 2 cans of chunk like tuna for this mixture. Canned salmon also give a good taste to this mixture. If you like to add canned salmon, you can use canned salmon. Now time to add seasoning to the mixture. You have to use salt, to the taste, and black pepper. According to your taste buds, you can add spiciness, and if you like more spicy food, you can add crushed chili pepper. But now I'm not going to add chili pepper to this mixture. I'm using only Thai pepper and Thai chilies and black pepper. We need more black pepper. Now it's all done. So this is boiled potato, smash and boiled potato. I use 4 medium-sized potato. So now I'm going to add this potato to the fish mixture. If you like, you can use minced meat for this mixture instead of canned fish. Now we have to mix these potatoes, boiled potatoes, with fish mixture thoroughly. Now your fish filling is ready. Turn off the heat and add little bit of lemon juice or lime juice to the mixture. This one also optional. If you like, you can add. It's give a good taste to the mixture. Yeah. Now it's ready to use. And this is our dough. We have to wait a few minutes to use this for the buns. Let's see after that. Now our dough is ready. Now it is double in size. So it's after 1 hour. Now knock this down to get air bubbles out. And I'm going to make fish bun first. So for fish bun, normally I'm using 75 grams of dough. You can take little ball if you don't want to weigh that one, but I'm going to show you. I'm just using 75 grams of the mixture and make it a little ball. And this is a grease pan, and put into the grease pan first. Now we are going to make the fish bun. First dust the board with little flour and take one ball and do like this. I'm using ice cream scoop because it's so easy to take the mixture and measure it. 1 scoop of fish mixture and fold this like a triangle. You can fold it any way, but traditional Sri Lankan fish bun is triangular shape like this. It is very easy, and put into the baking tray. Again we can see another one. Dust little flour and make a circle with this one, and 1 scoop of fish filling, then fold this like 1, 2 and 3 and cover it properly and make a triangle. So I made 24 fish buns with that dough, and I have 500 grams of remaining dough. Now I'm going to make small dinner rolls with that remaining dough. You can use a grease pan and take small amount, around 50 grams, and make small buns with this. You can use this as dinner roll, or you can make white bread or sausage bun or anything with this basic dough mixture. This is very good for white bread also. Now this is after 30 minutes. Now these buns are ready to bake. We have to apply egg wash. This is 1 egg with little bit of milk, liquid milk, and this egg wash gives the bun very nice golden color. You can use a pastry brush for applying this, but when we are applying with pastry brush, sometimes that brush strokes can see, so it's very easy to use a kitchen towel, fold into like this and apply this egg wash with kitchen towel. It gives a very smooth finish to the bun and nice golden color. Now these buns are ready to bake. We are going to put these buns in our oven. It's already preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and at about 20 minutes we have to bake this and see. I baked these buns for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's done and it's very hot now. When it is hot, you can apply another layer of egg wash, and it makes the buns look so shiny and pretty. You have to apply it on very hot buns. And when you are making, make sure that buns in one layer, and you have to put in the middle rack. Now it's all done. You can see these are our dinner rolls. You can see how soft these dinner rolls are. I will open one and show you. See, it is very soft like sponge, and this is our bun. I'm going to cut one bun to show you how it looks. This is our fish bun. Now you know how to make authentic Sri Lankan fish bun. We can meet again with another Sri Lankan recipe.